This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 910, a studio, looking out to the west over the pool deck toward Greektown restaurants. Turning into the living, dining, sleeping area. We have wide plank flooring, ceilings at about 9 feet, roller shades on the windows, and window sills to set your plants and soak up some of that western sun. Looking at an area that you're probably going to want to use as a sleeping alcove. There's a closet there. Kitchen is L-shaped, has track lighting up above. Duotone cabinetry with 42-inch white lacquer look cabinets on the uppers and wood stained cabinets on the lowers. White quartz counters. You have a stainless steel sink with a gooseneck faucet spray attachment. It's a tile backsplash. 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave and dishwasher. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Turning into the bath, which has a wide vanity. Tub shower combination with a body spray attachment in the shower. Vanity with mirror and marble hanging white tile on the floor. Going back toward the entryway, there's another closet off to my left. Entry door, and a walk-in closet that would have been off to your right as you walked in. Unusually good storage space for a studio with 3 closets. In-unit washer-dryer is right where you want it, away from the main living and sleeping area. Arkadia West Loop has an appealing, close to everything location, extensive amenities, a wide variety of apartments with upscale finishes. Definitely want to have Arkadia West Loop high on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.